In fact, the SFI has now hit the streets after this particular attack on Kerala Health Minister. The SFI has taken out a protest march in Thiruvananthapuram. This is a piece of breaking news that's coming in from Thiruvananthapuram. The SFI has now taken out a protest march. This after Kerala Health Minister Veena George was attacked in Kannur. CNN News 18's Neetu Raghukumar now joins us for more on this. Neetu, the attack has left the health minister injured, and now we are looking at the SFI hitting the streets.
That's correct. SFI and DYFI has been taken out protest across the state, not just in Thiruvananthapuram, ever since this attack which has happened yesterday. They have been stating that the KSU workers have attacked the health minister, and definitely they will be protesting. We are right now outside the south gate of Secretariat. Here the SFI protest has just concluded here. We could see that protesters from the Ayurveda College was here taking out this protest march. There was heavy police presence on the other side also for this protest here, but this protest has just concluded by the SFI in Thiruvananthapuram. But not just in Thiruvananthapuram, across the state we are seeing several protests by the SFI and the DYFI. We heard opposition leader V.D. Satheeshan saying that the leaders of CPIM are giving a call to incite violence by telling their cadres and workers that the KSU has attacked the health minister, but that is not the case. Opposition leader has been stating that there has been no attack from the KSU workers. They have not even gone near the health minister. They were only showing the black flags, and whatever push and pull has happened between the minister and the police at the Kannur railway station, because the police was trying to stop the minister from going towards the KSU workers who were protesting. According to opposition leader, it was a minister who was trying to go there, and the push and pull that has happened is only between the police and the health minister, not between the KSU workers, and the KSU workers have not even reached close to her. So this is what the ruling front as well as the opposition has been saying. The ruling front's charge was led by the Chief Minister himself, stating that the opposition is trying to create a law and order situation in the state. But ahead of the state elections, this is definitely going to be an issue, because both sides will now protest, and this is indeed a political situation right now.